Guys, did you know you can increase your revenue without getting more traffic? In this video, I'll show you how to add an order bump in System.io so customers can purchase an extra offer with a single click during checkout. Step 1. Log into your System.io dashboard and open the sales funnel where you want to add the order bump. Make sure your funnel already includes an order form. Step 2. Open the order form step and edit the page. Look for the option to add or configure an order bump. This lets you present an additional offer directly on the checkout page. Step 3. Create a simple offer that complements your main product. For example, if you're selling a course, you could offer a downloadable checklist or bonus guide at a lower price. Write a short headline explaining the value and why it's worth adding. Step 4. Set the price and confirm that the order bump is linked to the correct product. Keep the offer relevant and affordable to encourage more buyers to accept it. Step 5. Save your changes and test the checkout process to make sure the order bump appears correctly. That's it. You've successfully added an order bump that can help increase your average order value. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab for more quick and practical System.io tutorials. If you're ready to start building your own funnels, check out the first link in the description to explore System.io.